Hi party people. We got a little pond filter fountain because we're getting new koi on Friday, and I have to set up a quarantine tank, which I'm gonna make out of like a stock tank, 150 gallons, so they can go in there for a couple weeks to make sure that they're healthy before we put them in the koi pond. So I got this little filter system, but it's also gonna be a fountain, and this like goes on the top and then it like sprays out the top. But it came with like a little filter pad, and I put it inside the big koi pond in the waterfall area just so it could soak up some beneficial bacteria so we don't have to cycle the stock tank as long. So we're gonna get this set up, pop it in the pond, and see how it flows or sprays. So come along, let's check it out. Little side note, if you read the directions, you might get confused because it's basically all already put together. But if you do want to take this top piece off to access the filter pad and like the filter media, also there's a UV sterilizer in there, you do have to unscrew this little screw in here, and then you could unclamp these sides. Because when I first did it, I didn't know that, and I was like, why isn't it coming off? Because you have to do the unscrewing. So basically it's all together, and then all you're gonna do is take this little elbow here, twist it onto the top, which is right here. And then you will take this piece, which goes like this. Oh wait, maybe I should have done that first. 1 second. So it's gonna be this to this. You want this piece facing up. There's little knobbies on the side. So then we'll secure that onto the top of the box. And then all you're gonna do is put the filter attachment, and then there's like different ones depending on what kind of spray you want. So we're gonna just go with the one that's already on there. And bam, I think that's it. Let me just double check. Wow, so that really was it. I'll bring it up just for a closer view so you can see what it all consists of. And then this right here, I was like, what the heck, that seems kind of weird. But that's so that you could turn these knobs if you want the fountain off. And then it opens here so the water could just spray out instead of spray up. And then these other pieces here are just different heads for this little, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, fountain thing, to do different sprays. So all we're gonna do is pop this in the pond and plug it in, and let's see how she does. Come along. Okay, so I actually did mess up one minor detail. We had to screw on this little piece where that opening was that I said the water could spray out. It's still the same thing, but just so it like sprays out a little pointier. But she's good to go. Let's pop it in the pond and see how it does. I'm a little bit nervous. I think it's gonna do good though. The pond depth right here is like perfect. For the stock tank, we might need to put it on a brick just so it's not too deep, but I don't really know how deep the stock pond is gonna be, or the stock tank. It's supposed to come tonight. Me and Frank have to pick it up. But anyways, let's get this plugged in and see how it does. Alrighty, there it goes. I probably have to adjust. Wait, let me get a little closer. Okay, it's definitely doing what it's supposed to be doing, but this is like not level at all. So that's gonna make a difference. So I probably need to like mess around with it a little bit to get it perfect, but it's gonna get the job done. It's gonna keep the water clean in the stock tank. I'm excited about it. Check it out on my Amazon storefront if you need one. All right, adios. That's all we got for now.